So I have two wigs from Estetica, two Jessicas. So let's get started. Let's get into this. I start with a combination wig cap, wig grip. And the reason I wear a wig cap, wig grip is to collect all of this nice and neat underneath. It protects my own hair and it keeps the wig from moving. We don't want the wig to move at all. So this is how we do it. So nice and neat. I usually try to line this up with where I'm going to part my hair. Now the wig grip has friction here, it's velvet, and the velvet feels a little bit like a cat's tongue. It's smooth going this way and rough going this way. The tag goes on the outside of the grip, but when in question, just feel this way. It should be rough going this way and smooth this way. So let's start with the Blonde Jessica. So again, this is by Estetica. And we're going to put on Blonde Jessica. And the color is RH1438RT8. And Estetica does a nice thing. They put their color number on their tag. So we're going to make sure the tag is tucked in. Hold it here by the tag. We're going to put our head in here. Now this wig is unique in that it doesn't have lace. So when you have a basic cap like this, we have open wefting. We have hook adjusters here. We have this tag. We don't want it to go back through either because you'll see that. And then here on the front, we just have a velvet edge, no lace. So this is going to be kind of a messy look. But because it doesn't have lace, it's going to be, the price point is going to be lower. So we put our head in. And as you know, I like to land it right here on my eyebrows. And there it is. Now we adjust it so that it's up above about 4 fingers from our brow bone. And you can see this is a hard front right here. There's no lace. So we're not going to emphasize that. So this is what she looks like. I really like this wig. She's super lightweight. It feels like a ball cap on my head. No, it's not heavy at all. You can't feel, this feels like nothing. So let me show you the whole back. It feels a little bit like maybe, if you're old enough, Grease and Sandy in the movie Grease. But I love this style. I just think it's really fun, really flirty, super lightweight. All the curls. These curls are, this is a synthetic, This is a synthetic wig. So it's going to hold this shape and all of these curls no matter what. So you can go in a downpour. And when you get out, shake it out, and then this is going to dry just exactly like this. So if you're in humidity, it's not going to frizz. It's going to be just like this. So this is Sandy. I'm sorry. This is Jessica. Beautiful, right? So let's change to the more brunette Jessica that I also have. I'm going to shake her out. She's the exact same wig. So a basic cap. Different color. So let's put her on. We're going to do it the same way. Put our head in and pull her on and then adjust. So this is the same wig, Jessica, in just a different color. I'll put all the color details in the description so you can look there. I really like this color, but I have to tell you, I like both. So I can see wearing either of these, really. This is a nice look for fall. Really pretty. Again, the curls are going to stay no matter what. They're not going to get frizzy. They're just going to be like this. This is by Estetica. And just a really pretty basic cap wig that really makes you elevated. Just gorgeous, right? I'd love your comments. So please weigh in. Let me know what you think. Blonde or this kind of reddish color. You can see all the colors under the light there. If you're new here, subscribe. Connect with us. This is how we stay connected, by subscribing. I've written a book, Wig Wisdom, and I have a website, An Affair with Hair. I'd love to connect with you. And again, if you're looking for one-to-one help with your wig or with how to step into this wig world, there's a huge community here. And everybody's wearing wigs now. It's just so easy. Why cut your hair? Why worry about hair color and styles when it's super easy just to throw on and go. So I encourage you to step out of your comfort zone, try a wig if you haven't already, and if you'd like some help, reach out. I hope that's helpful. Have a great day. Cheers.